Well, there is a new tool now in Connecticut for fighting a dangerous spike in overdoses from heroin.
The state has just made it easier to administer a remarkable drug that miraculously reverses a drug overdose. Our chief political correspondent, Mark Davis, first reported to us about this miracle drug earlier this year. He's live now with the latest developments. Mark?
Hi, Darren and Ann. Good evening, everyone, from the Hartford newsroom. Yeah, this is really something. Some estimates, though, are placing that the increase in opiate overdose deaths regionally has increased by 80%. This is aimed at saving lives. The governor's signature on this new law should help to reduce the numbers of opiate drug overdoses in Connecticut by making it easier for police and anyone else to use the overdose antidote called Narcan.
If administered in a timely fashion, it will save a life of somebody who would otherwise stop breathing, whose heart would otherwise stop beating.
The death earlier this year of actor Philip Seymour Hoffman from a heroin and prescription drug overdose brought attention to the fact that this is not just an inner-city problem. The Commissioner of Mental Health and Addiction Services says use of these drugs has spread away from the cities, especially among 18 to 25-year-olds.
Glastonbury, out towards Ridgefield, just small communities are struggling with this as well.
The new law will allow anyone to administer naloxone, also known as Narcan, if they believe someone is suffering an overdose. The law allows them to administer the remarkably effective overdose antidote without fear of being civilly or criminally liable for the action. Up until now, only EMTs and other licensed healthcare practitioners could administer the miracle drug that actually brings people back from the near dead. Hartford Deputy Police Chief Brian Foley says some suburban departments don't even want to talk about the overdose problem.
Out in the suburbs and the smaller towns where the distance between the police and the ambulances are, it becomes much more important.
The governor also said today that his administration is also pursuing the possibility of making Narcan available over the counter. Now, removing this liability barrier, for lack of a better term, is expected to remove the reluctance on the part of some first responders, like the police, to administer this life-saving drug that actually completely reverses the overdose effect in the field and saving people's lives. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.